Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate static classes in Java. Okay? So earlier, on the previous program, we created objects that would access the different methods. Now for today, I'm going to create here or going to demonstrate static classes. Okay. Let's now create first our class. To do that, let's place it here. Okay. Let's say we want to, let's use the first example, class A, okay? Under class A, we created a method which is public static void display message, okay? And this will display hello world. Okay. Oh, okay. So we already used here A. Let's say AB. Okay, sorry for that. So in NetBeans, if you notice, I have here our first program. I already created A. So it showed me that there's already an existing A in our project. Now here in our main method, what we're going to do is that we're not going to create anymore an object, but we could just access the static method. To do that, you just need to type here or use the method name, okay? In which case, the method name here is, so the class name, not the method. The class name, okay, followed by the method that you like to access, okay? So the class name is AB dot, then under AB, we only have here one method or function, which is display message. Just double click on it, and that's it. So that is how we access static classes. When we run our code, right click run, it should display as hello world. Then if we like to create another set of classes, public static void, let's say display message 2, okay? Let's display this is another static method under class AB, something like that. Well, you could create your own. Now, to access that, we just type here AB dot, and then you're going to see here two methods now, which is display message and display message 2. We like to display message 2 here, and that's it. If you click here, run, and you have the output. Okay? So this is how you create a static class. Now, you don't need to create an object here. You just simply create the class and then add the different methods and then access it by using the class name followed by the method. Don't forget the dot, okay? That would enable us to access the different methods in the classes that you have created, okay? So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.